side here, isn't it?
Just there, yeah, wherever you want it.
This morning we're riding the Pegoretti Marcello. Last time we rode the Pegoretti Round. Let me just take you over a few noteworthy features of this bike compared to the Responsorium and the Round. So the Marcello is heat-treated Columbus Spirit tubing. A tube set I'm very familiar with because I've ridden it for 10, 12 years on my Sirota. Heat-treated, oversized. The front end, the front triangle is exactly the same diameter as the Responsorium. The rear end is oversized. So these seat stays, for example, are 19 millimeters, which is big. It's a very big seat stay. Chainstays are also oversized and bigger than the Responsorium. The whole idea behind this bike is to give a very stiff, responsive ride compared to the stainless steel Responsorium. And it is. I mean, the thing is, if you're not used to steel, after carbon, it's going to feel very different and probably not quite as stiff. But for a steel bike, it's exceptionally rapid transmission. So being a Dario Pegoretti bike, which means it's handmade in Verona in Italy, it means that the relationship that Pegoretti has with Columbus is exceptional and a one-off. So they have a really close relationship with Columbus. So everything they do is completely bespoke, designed exclusively for Pegoretti. So take the Fowles fork, for example. You won't see that fork anywhere else other than on a Dario Pegoretti bike. It's bespoke, designed and made for them. And the same with all the tube sets. All bespoke and designed for and by Pegoretti and Columbus. So I'm not sure how much of this paintwork you can see, and it's on display at CycleFit, so you can come and have a look at it. The idea behind this COVID-19 theme was a few things really. Firstly, obviously this bike was designed, conceived and built during the whole COVID-19 crisis. The second thing is that CycleFit and Pegoretti have had quite sort of parallel symmetrical journeys through the whole COVID-19 crisis. We've barely closed. Early doors, we were dealing with a lot of key worker servicing and getting hybrids out to them and delivering all these bikes around London. It got so bad in Verona, which is the epicenter of the crisis, that those guys kind of at one point were sleeping in the factory because that's the only way they could work. So we both had to sort of kind of track through the COVID-19 process. The Marcello is £2,750 for the frame, and then £850 extra if you want to go for the Chiavity custom paint scheme, which is a huge bargain really. If you think that a top flight carbon frame now costs you £3,500. This is made one-off in a factory, a workshop in Verona, and it takes 3 to 4 months to make every single one of these. And I think £2,750 for this kind of one-off frame is exceptionally good value. It's a forever piece. It's no accident that we're filming this by the ICA, just off the Mall here, because Pegoretti and Dario Pegoretti have traditionally had a very, very close relationship with the arts, and they're situated next door to an art museum in Verona. And so that's no accident we filmed this, and that's partly at the heart of why you would buy a Pegoretti, I think. You buy a Pegoretti because you want something which is individually handmade in a tiny, tiny quantity by a craftsman in a tiny workshop in Verona. So what kind of person would buy this bike? I think the kind of person that would buy a Dario Pegoretti is somebody that wants something individual, bespoke, custom, and a complete one-off. They're a barefoot cyclist. They're probably not going to put a Garmin on the handlebar. They're probably not going to use a power meter. They may own a Leica camera or an analog watch. In many ways, this is an analog bike in the digital age. If carbon never been invented, we would still be having as much fun on steel bikes. But carbon has been invented, so this bike has now been sidelined, if you like, a steel bike into the bespoke custom margins. But that's not a bad place for it to be. For the price of this bike, you could probably get a top flight carbon bike, or almost top flight carbon bike. But this is incredible value for money because it is a complete one-off, made for you in a tiny workshop in Italy. And that's worth preserving.